When the economy shrinks, it means that the value added of companies has dropped compared to a year before. And what we mean with value added of companies is the income generated by companies after the accounting for the cost of production. In 2020, we experienced the COVID-19, and that brought an entry ban with it, whereas it impacted the tourism industry a lot. We see a drop of 70% of tourists during that period, as of March of 2020 until the end of 2020. And it has affected the sectors, the food, accommodation sectors, and also the culture and recreation sector. Analyzing figures of 2020, that's the data that we have to work with. The companies that also are filling out the questionnaires, they work with data available in their yearly reports, and the year 2020 is the year that we have on our disposal to work with. We have been doing this investigation from 2012, so you can see the development in the economy from 2012 up to 2020. You know, a shrink in the economy usually it means less turnover for companies, so it could mean less jobs. However, in the year 2020, we don't see virtually no change in the amount of jobs on Saba and Station. We know that the government also provided an emergency package for companies, and we know that they gave the companies certain incentives or certain help, I must say. But we don't see how that could have affected the jobs for the residents.